In this video I am going to show you how to flip video clips in Premiere Pro horizontally and vertically. So for this I open few footage in here. Here is the footage. I drag and drop into the timeline. And so here is the footage. So click here, set to the frame size. I'll use this footage, and when I take this footage, unfortunately I take this footage like this. I want to flip this footage. Okay, so click and select, go to the effect, type here flip. See, in video effect you see the transform, also see the flipped horizontal and vertical flips. So I will show you the vertical flip first. Select, click, drag and drop into the clips. See the effect, full footage is changed. See, this is vertical flip. See, the full footage is here. Cut here, also cut here, also cut here, cut here, also cut here. Okay, so see the full footage is okay. So go to the effect, flip, type here flip again, also find the horizontal flip, click, drag and drop into the second clip. Okay, again into the fourth clip, and so first clip is regular footage, this is horizontal flip footage, and this is regular, this is horizontal, this is regular, and this is horizontal. Play and see the effect. Hope this helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.